What's up you guys, it's Alex here. Welcome back to another video and welcome to the channel. If this is your first time passing by through here, please consider subscribing as it helps me out greatly. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and gets my video out to more people. So before we start the video, I just want you guys to check out this cold start sound on the Lexus GSF. It's not something that I ever get used to, and I completely love the sound, so let me know what you guys think. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about why I think you should consider selling everything. That's right, you heard me correctly, selling everything now. You see guys, I have a lot of stuff that I built throughout the years that took a lot of hard work and dedication to accumulate to what I have today. I've worked really early mornings and even later nights, and I did everything that I was told to do. I saved as much as I possibly can from my income. I also invested as much as I possibly could. And that led me to believe that I was gonna be extremely happy in the process of working my tail off. In all actuality, I'd give everything up for happiness, for a sense of purpose, which leads me to ask you, are you actually happy? Do you have a sense of purpose, or have you only built onto a life where you're not truly internally satisfied? If you are feeling that way, you should ask yourself, what can I do to get out of that life? What can I do differently to change the quality of my life and add some definition and meaning with a sense of purpose? There's really nothing more important than your mental health and self-satisfaction, feeling worthy and purposeful while you're doing the things that you love. Every so often when I'm driving nice cars, doing numbers, walking around my community, or just buying luxuries, I always remember to ask myself the golden question: am I happy? So you see, to me, materials come and go, and they're some of the most least important things that you'll come across in life, and that's just my perspective when it comes to all the fine things in life. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not here to downplay the process and the enjoyment of having nice things and toys. All I'm really trying to say about it is that it's not the bulk of life to me, and there are far more important things in my life than just the things that I can own. I focus more on who I am and what really makes me happy. And to sum it up, all the things that are materialistic in life aren't the gist of what makes me happy. And you gotta make sure that that's not what your life revolves around either. Now, if you look at the very top of my list of things that make me happy and are a priority to me, you'll find family. That's definitely gonna be the number one thing that gets me out of bed in the morning and pushes me to be the best I could possibly be on a regular basis. Alongside my family, it's my purpose in life. That is what really fuels me to be the best person that I can be on a regular basis. And then next to that would be providing value. That's a really important thing to me. I love providing value, and I do it here on this YouTube channel by providing financial information, because I know the bulk of people have troubles when it comes to their financial situations. So I gain a lot of joy and satisfaction giving value and helping others when it comes to their financial education. And because I know there are a lot of people out there who need this help, this is what makes me even happier and more diligent when it comes to providing the best type of content that I can on this channel. So that's my definition and my purpose when it comes to having a greater purpose in life. Alright, so that's my ultimate goal through my YouTube channel, is to provide as much help as I possibly can to people who are willing to listen. So if you take all the shiny things out of my life and all the possessions that I have, I'll still have my purpose at the end of the day, and I'll still be happy because of my underlying purpose. So listen, if you're living in a house that you can't afford, sell it. If you're driving a car that's putting pressure on you and you can't afford it, sell it. Ask yourself, why put pressure on your self-satisfaction? Rent a place. If there's something that you have that's preventing you from investing in your future, if it's preventing you from investing in your family, ultimately just get rid of it. Sell it and move on to something that comes with less pressure. Now, financial security and financial freedom is a very important thing to me, and the reason behind that is it gives me more freedom, it gives me more time to do the things that I want over the things that I have to do, and Overall, it gives me more choices to make in life. It allows me to not have to trade my time for money. But the reason that I know that is because I did it for many years. See, you gotta start somewhere. But I didn't like the idea of being in a situation that was gonna keep me unhappy for too long. You see, I needed to earn money to take care of all the things that life demands from us. And ultimately, I realized that you just need to get rid of those things and find your purpose, find your happiness, and continue on with those things that do make you happy. And don't get me wrong, you gotta do what you gotta do until you can afford to do what you want to do. But you see, that statement doesn't really have much to do with the things in general. It really has more to do with finding your purpose and finding out what makes you happy. Obviously, money and things are not going to be the key to make you happy long term. It may put a smile on your face temporarily, but those things do tend to fade over time. And you could definitely get some temporary satisfaction from time to time, but that's not what you should truly be focused on in the long haul. You need to find what's going to fulfill you. Fulfillment is what we all search for in this game of life. So be on the pursuit of happiness and fulfillment. Be on the pursuit of fulfillment, and everything else will follow when you start doing the things that you love. And don't be discouraged. You can find fulfillment in many different ways. But one thing that I will tell you is to just sell it all if it keeps you from your purpose. If it's keeping you from your happiness, it's just not worth it. That's a conversation you gotta have with yourself. Don't do that disservice to yourself or your family, because we have to know that that is all that we're left with at the end of the day. Wouldn't it be a shame that we live on this earth and then we leave this earth and we're not truly happy throughout that whole journey? That would be a complete shame. So I just want you to take a moment and think about what I just said, and always reflect on it. Always reflect on that question. Are you truly happy? Do you feel satisfied? Do you think you found your purpose? Are you fulfilled? And if you're not, then you got to change some things around. Financial freedom can definitely help you live your purpose. So do what you got to do to build your financial future, because that's going to be one less roadblock along the way when you're searching for those things that actually spark your smile. Again though, if you got things in your life that you're paying for or you went into debt for, that's probably something that you should get rid of, because you'll probably be way better without it. Don't let those debts and easy things that people entice you to buy hold you down for the long haul. You can't save, you can't invest, you can't do anything that you truly want to do because you're living an inflated lifestyle that's way above what your means can handle, and that is going to be one of the biggest recipes for disaster and unsatisfaction, unfulfillment, and feeling like you don't know where your purpose is. So again, I say, if that's what your situation is, sell it. Sell it all, get rid of it. Don't need it around in your life no more, and start over. Always got to start over if you find yourself building a foundation that you don't truly want. Sell everything today. You can do anything that you want to do. All you got to do is be motivated and want it bad enough, and you can start over just like many people have, and build things the way you want them to be. You see, when I first got back from the military, I came back and I had nothing. I had no assets, no monetary value, nothing that was holding me up on my monthly bills. But what I did have was the burning desire to be able to do anything that I truly wanted to. And as the months went on, I was able to create some solid foundations of passive income, building some income streams that have helped me all the way to this current day. And there's no reason why you cannot either. Another thing that really helped me out was the desire to be successful, to help my family, and for my own success. Not anyone else's definition of success, but what I was truly happy with on my own, and that helped me go a long way from where I started. And it's something that could definitely push you into where you want to be. So when I wake up in the morning, I look at myself in the mirror and I tell myself that I was able to do the best I could possibly do, and I don't feel like I left anything on the field. I don't feel like I could have done more or better. I feel completely satisfied, because ultimately it's all about the pursuit of your self-satisfaction and your purpose. So as long as you're achieving your purpose and working towards it, and with the help of you guys, I'm always achieving my purpose. I always get comments and I get messages about how people enjoy my content, and that's something that really fuels my satisfaction. So all I'm asking you to do is do a little inventory check of your life, do some soul searching, do a checkup from the neck up, make sure that your head is working in functionality and in good order, and so that you can stay fresh for any type of upcoming challenges that you may face. and of course, always continue to progress, because that is the ultimate goal, right? So ask yourself these questions. What's important to you? Are you truly living to be the best you can be for your own happiness? So if you did smash that like button, I really do appreciate it. Make sure to drop some comments. Let me know what you think in the section down below. I really do appreciate you guys stopping by for a few minutes. It means a lot to me. If you guys made it this far, you are my true heroes, and I appreciate you for that. Always remember to keep chasing your greatness. Keep believing in yourself, because no one else will believe in you as much as yourself. And remember, happiness and self-satisfaction and purpose searching before anything else in life. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. If you guys wanna see any content or wanna see any of your ideas in my videos, please be sure to drop it in the comment section down below, and we'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.